A good ice maker can be a game changer for your home party or kitchen. No more running to the store for bags of ice or waiting for trays to freeze. Just add water and let the machine do its job. Most portable ice makers can produce between 26 and 40 pounds of ice per day, so you'll never have to worry about running out. They also come in a variety of shapes and sizes to fit your needs. Check out the list of the 8 best portable ice makers on the market we have reviewed in this video. From countertop models to ones that fit in your party cooler, we've got you covered. As always, check out the link given in the description for updated prices and information. So, watch the full video and don't forget to subscribe. Number 1 is Silonn Countertop Ice Maker. The Silonn Countertop Ice Maker is a powerful, self-cleaning ice machine. This countertop ice maker has a powerful compressor that takes only 6 minutes to get 9 cubes of ice. It can produce up to 26.5 pounds of ice in 24 hours, so you'll never have to wait long for a cold drink. Nothing is more refreshing on a hot day than a cold drink. And with the Silonn Countertop Ice Maker, you can have ice cubes in 2 sizes to suit your beverage of choice. Portable and lightweight, the Silonn Countertop Ice Maker is perfect for taking on picnics, tailgates, or camping trips. Your Silonn Countertop Ice Maker won't disturb you when it's making ice cubes, thanks to its low noise level of just 35 decibels. The control panel is very easy to operate. Fill the ice maker with water, press the on button, select the size of the ice cubes, and that's it. So, the Silonn Countertop Ice Maker is a great choice for those who are looking for an ice maker machine that is easy to use and produces a lot of ice. Number 2 is ecozy Portable Ice Maker. Ice makers come in all shapes and sizes, but when it comes to countertop ice makers, ecozy is the name you can count on. Equipped with a powerful compressor, this countertop ice maker takes only 6 minutes to get 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes per cycle. The Ice Maker countertop comes with 3 ice bags, a standing ice scoop, and an advanced infrared sensor technology that automatically shuts off the machine when the basket is full. The ecozy Portable Ice Maker adopts advanced technology which makes sure that no noise is made during preparation of the machine for use. It also features a convenient self-cleaning function that allows you to clean the unit easily without any hassle from loose parts or pieces dropped inside. Finally, you have fully automated convenience at your fingertips. Number 3 is AGLUCKY Countertop Ice Maker Machine. If you want to have fresh ice every day, then this is the right machine for you. It produces 9 cubes within just 6-8 minutes and even can produce up to 26.5 pounds of ice per day. AGLUCKY's portable and compact design allows it to be taken with you wherever you go, so that no matter what time of day or night, you have access to fresh ice whenever you need it. Plus, its noise level is much lower than other machines on the market, making it perfect for use in busy households. The machine produces 2 sizes of bullet-shaped ice cubes, so you can choose what best fits your needs. Made from high-quality materials, this ice machine is durable and reliable. It won't break down easily and will work for years without requiring any major repairs or updates. Number 4 is Euhomy Ice Maker Machine. Euhomy is the perfect ice maker for those who can't live without their favorite summer drink. With Euhomy's patented 6-minute fastest ice making and bullet-shaped ice, you will be able to enjoy your favorite beverages in style with little effort. This portable ice maker easily makes up to 26 pounds of ice per day. And comes with a 1.3-pound basket, which is enough to last you through most of the day. The heat insulation layer is made of thickened non-fluorine foam, which partially blocks heat and stores ice temporarily. Comes with convenient assembled handle to carry around. lightweight feature makes it easy to transport from one place to another. It has a simple LED panel, and a self-cleaning function helps keep your machine clean and running smoothly. Number 5 is Gevi Household Ice Maker Machine. This ice maker has a compact design for wide applicability and makes 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes per cycle, which takes 6-8 minutes only. 26 pounds per 24 hours max producing capacity can easily meet a family's daily needs. This ice maker works without making sounds more than 40 dB, so this ice maker is perfect for making ice without disturbing others in the household. It also has a self-explanatory control panel and intelligible indicators, so it is easy to use. The indicators are also easily understandable, so you'll always know how your ice machine is performing. Number 6 is Frigidaire 26-pound ice maker. When you're looking for an efficient way to make ice, you should give Frigidaire's 2.3-quart reservoir ice machine a try. This machine can produce 26 pounds of ice in 2 different sizes, and with soft-touch electronic controls, it's user-friendly and easy to operate. Besides, the controls with LED indicators help you operate the device without any hassles. Also, the built-in air outlet fan ensures a faster cooling process that makes your favorite beverage even colder. This ice maker is perfect for anyone who doesn't want to go through the hassle of installing a complicated appliance. Just plug it in and add water, and you'll have a batch of ice in no time. Number 7 is COSTWAY Countertop Ice Maker. Well, we all love ice for its refreshing qualities, but if you're hosting some special gathering and are not able to have a proper ice maker in your house, pick up this COSTWAY Countertop Ice Maker. Compact enough for any countertops, easy to carry with, and can be used on a barbecue or family gathering. Equipped with a 9 corrosion-resistant condenser, high-power compressor, and 26.5 pounds of production per day, is perfect for any occasion. You can easily wipe the stains with a rag to keep your countertop ice maker spotless and shiny. COSTWAY's countertop ice maker is made from food-grade materials, ensuring that the ice produced is safe and healthy to consume. This COSTWAY countertop ice maker is known for its compact size that allows it to be installed almost anywhere. Number 8 is ZAFRO Countertop Ice Maker Machine. For great tasting ice right at your fingertips, you need the ZAFRO Ice Maker. This powerful machine extracts ice cubes from the water in just 8 minutes. So, you can have refreshingly cool drinks in no time at all. This ice machine is equipped with a new generation of high-efficiency compressor that ensures maximum output without wasting energy. It's also easy to use. Just fill the ice maker with water and plug it in. When the water is insufficient or the ice basket is full, the indicator light will turn on. It uses only as much water as it needs to make perfect cubes every time. And with a compact design that takes up little space in your kitchen, you'll be glad you have this handy appliance on hand. This ZAFRO machine is designed for quick and easy operation, so you'll be making perfect cubes in no time.